Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Preparing delicious Hungry Jack pancakes is much simpler than you might think, and we'll show you exactly how to get that perfect, fluffy stack every time. This classic mix offers a fantastic shortcut to a satisfying breakfast or brunch, making your mornings a little easier. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your pancakes turn out golden, light, and absolutely delightful. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your pancake prowess. Getting started is incredibly easy, as you only need a handful of basic items from your pantry and kitchen. Grab your favorite Hungry Jack pancake mix, some fresh water or milk, and a splash of cooking oil for the griddle. For your tools, a medium-sized mixing bowl, a trusty whisk, and a good non-stick griddle or frying pan are all you truly require. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and stress-free. Now for the heart of our pancakes, mixing the batter just right. For a standard batch, you'll combine 1 cup of the Hungry Jack mix with about 3/4 of a cup of cold water or milk. Remember to whisk it gently, just until all the dry ingredients are moistened. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually help achieve that lovely, fluffy texture, so avoid overmixing your batter. With your batter ready, it's time to cook those beautiful pancakes. Preheat your griddle or pan to a medium setting, which is usually around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for even cooking. Lightly oil the surface, then pour about a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, spacing them out. Once bubbles start to form on the surface and the edges look dry, it's time to gently flip them and cook until they are a beautiful golden brown on both sides. Your perfect stack of Hungry Jack pancakes is now ready to be enjoyed. Arrange them beautifully on a plate, perhaps stacking them 2 or 3 high for that classic diner look. The fun part is choosing your toppings. A generous drizzle of warm maple syrup is a must, but feel free to add fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips. Dig in and savor every bite of your warm, fluffy, and incredibly satisfying breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.